Welcome to Kids Planet Corner. Human Body Quiz. Kids, how are you? Today we will discuss different parts of our body in the form of quiz questions. The purpose of this activity is to make you aware of different body parts and their functions. Let's start, kids. Which is the body's largest organ? Skin. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Stapes. Which blood group is considered the universal donor? O. Where is insulin produced in our body? Pancreas. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. How many fingers do we have in total? 10. Where is your heart located? Left side of chest. Which muscle allows you to breathe involuntarily? Diaphragm. What do bones make in our body? Skeleton. Which organ pumps blood through our body? Heart. What is the purpose of red blood cells? Carrying oxygen. Which gland regulates metabolism in the body? Thyroid. What part of the body helps to think? Brain. Which part of the eye gives it its color? Iris. What is the average human body temperature in Celsius? 37 degrees Celsius. Which part of our body helps in walking? Legs. Which bone articulates with humerus to make elbow joint? Radius and ulna. What is the main function of kidneys? Filtering blood. Which sense helps you feel something soft or rough? Touch. What part of the body bends when you sit down? Knees. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Which organ helps clean the blood in our body? Kidney. What is inside our mouth that helps in chewing? Teeth. What is the primary function of the respiratory system? Exchange of gases. What is the number of bones in an adult human body? 206. What helps us digest food? Stomach. Which part of the human brain controls voluntary movements? Cerebellum. What part helps us bend our arms and legs? Joints. What causes hiccups? Diaphragm contractions. How does the body react to sudden danger? Releases adrenaline. What helps us to hold and grab things? Hands. What is the outer covering of our body called? Skin. What helps us to stand straight and tall? Spine. Which organ helps you breathe air? Lungs. Which body part helps you to think, learn, and remember? Brain. What is the scientific term for windpipe? Trachea.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.